You guys are gonna unsub to me. You guys are gonna dislike this video. I'm doing another Tower of Hell video. Cause last one got me like a like. Last one got me 2 likes. So I'll be doing another one. Cause it seems to be the favorite. Because it seems to be like a favorite, maybe. I also like it. So yeah. Let's just go. Right, how do you do that? Never mind, let's go. Bruh, I know, right? You jump here. Then you go here. But then how do you jump there? I got an idea. Once I jump, I'll just go here. Then quickly, speed! Oh, she's on phone. I'm on tablet. I would be on my laptop. But it wouldn't. Wreck! How do you jump there? Buy shield. We don't need a shield. Not low. Yeah, maybe low gravity. What's this? I know what to do, but how do I do it? How did you? That's not even difficult. This is not difficult. It's just annoying. Look, see? How do you jump there? Yes, finally! It just teleports me to the pro tower. Okay, let me try again. I'm gonna follow this pro. He knows what he's doing. I don't. Oh, somebody actually thought. Foggy, you really had to put our head in a spike, huh? You can't do it. It's I don't think it's possible. That guy probably used like 7 different coils. Probably 7 different coils just to get through this. Oh, I know what to do. You have to jump, but you can't jump. Oh, you have to go back. I get it now. You have to kind of go like this, then jump. Like that. I know what to do now. It's not possible. You have to use 7 different coils, like that other guy probably did. 7 different. Come on, let me add him. Thank you for making my life a little easier. There. You can't do it. You can't do it. What, do you have to go like that? I can't. Professor. Music on. Jump. What do you have to jump? I think. And I'm foggy again. Yeah, just to make all of us angry. Then we start raging. They probably want everyone here to rage quit, and then they have the server all to themselves, like I had last time, because everyone left me. When the same dude. No, and I'll show you that video where everyone just left me and I was all myself. You don't have to leave me, man. Okay, I actually need to focus now. You could just jump like that, girl. There. Whoa. That's actually impossible, I think. How are you supposed to expect everyone to do that? No. Oh, you didn't even need to jump. Bruh. You don't need to jump, dude. You don't need to jump. Wait. Let me try again. I really hate that one. I'm already having a bad day. So stop. I'm just making videos every single. Okay, you need to jump. But I was jumping. Oh, too late. Okay, do we even need to jump? I want to test something out. Just want to test this out. No, you don't need to jump. Even though it says jump. Not that difficult. Okay, this one. See? It's not easy. Oh my god. I really hate stuff like that. Like, my brain is too stupid. By the end I get there, I'll like jump in the middle of it. Jump, even though you don't need to jump. No. Meh. 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 There. Thank you. Okay, I have to be really timing. Okay, right now. Then you jump now. Then you jump here. Then you... Well, I pressed jump. Just... I kind of agree too. I kind of agree with that. My character is crying. It's like about to cry. Look at it. Me too. It's like this, like showing the smile, but inside, it's nothing. See? So, I actually did this. I just said, who asked? You. Oh. Had to adjust. There. Sure. No, I forgot to jump. Okay, I'll have to be timing on my jumps. It's like so laggy. I've never been this laggy before. Oh my god, there, thank you. That's a bad idea. It's not worth it. Oh my god, I'm pressing jump and it's not working. Watch. Oh my god, there. That's a bad idea. I shouldn't have done that. What? Do I jump slowly? Oh my god, thank you. Thanks for actually making this a little... She just ran into it. She just went, boop. She did not check her... Why? I jump forward, then it pushes me backward. It flings me... I jump forward and then it pushed me backwards. You're supposed to go backwards on that. Oh, look, watch. I have to be really timing now. I don't even care. I'll just not even take the risk of skipping it. What happened there? You were to go forward and it pushes you backwards. Now you jump. You have to kind of push yourself back. Oh my god, I'm gonna freak out. Those two girls look the same. I will make it. Why is it doing that? What did I press? Or touch? Or what? That's deceiving. Deceiving, I tell you. I'm not taking that. I'll be right back once I play. Well, I'm back playing this game. I just want to see Ring 1 Limbo. How should I... I want to play Tower of Anger. This should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's go to Tower of Anger. Alright, it's a long way up, but I can do this. This may take me like 5 hours straight, but who cares? What happened there? I literally lagged. I can do this. This will not be difficult at all. If that guy could... Oh my god, I'm an idiot, I forgot to jump. E. Whoop, whoop. Patient. E. There. Okay, cool. Now I can just easily climb this. Go here. See, it's not that difficult. I have to watch out for my head hitting things still. God, it goes fast. Oh my god. I almost died. Bruh. It goes like crazy fast. You may think it goes slow if you're watching this, but it goes like crazy fast. There. I'm taking this place. I am. This is rough and tough. Oh my. This is rough and tough. Okay. Easy. I got past that part. This isn't that difficult, luckily. Wow, that guy probably beat this in like 13 minutes. I am at 1 minute and I only got past one of the stages. I'm not taking... You could take the risk of like dying and starting it all over, but nah. Can I just shoot here? Yeah, I can. I could just do that. Oh, 2 minutes on this. I'm actually probably doing pretty good. Oh my god, I'm not smart. By the time I got end of it, I literally like jump. There. This ain't that difficult. No, it's not that difficult. What was that? Oh, invisible brick. Cool. Great. To be honest, this ain't that hard. It ain't that difficult. It's not difficult. I'm not gonna mess up at all, cause I'm a pro. I could just... This is a bad idea. Oh my god. This is a bad idea. Oh my god. That wasn't worth it. I should have taken this path instead. Oh, you could just go up this, then climb this. Go up this, then climb this. Go up this, then climb this. Nice. Okay. Alright. We can get past this, guys. I believe in myself. I believe I can do this. Easy. See? Look how pro I am. You actually expect everyone to do this without losing up? Oh my god. I'm not touching it. Does it look like I'm touching it? Am I touching it? I lost that much health. I feel like I'm almost there. People do this easily. And I'm at 4 minutes and I got 2 ways done already. 4 minutes. That's not good. Just need to get this over with. And then, yeah. Oh, no. I wasn't paying attention. I should pay attention. I was just looking like... No. What? You actually expect... Oh, I hate lava jumps. Just make me like fall down at least. Oh my god. I didn't touch it. Perfect. I got part of the way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not good. I could have jumped off there. Oh my god. Oh, I'm doing good. I'm doing perfect. Look at this. Oh no. No, oh no, honey. No. Oh my god. Oh lord. The point is, no. No. Oh my god, no. No. Be right back. Okay, that's nice. I got past it. Got past it. Perfect, perfect. At least I got past that much. Good. That's the most annoying thing. These ones are easy. See, you could just do it like this. Oh, not these, buddy. Okay, these aren't too difficult. No, they aren't. Easy. Wait, that wasn't that difficult. That would be easier on my laptop. Oh my god, where am I supposed to go? Where do I go? Do I jump on the foggy stuff? I'll jump on the fog. Do I go like that? Okay, that would mess up multiple people. That part. Oh my god. Jump. Okay, not hard, not hard, not hard. Jump. No, no. Jump. You can't jump. Jump. You have to go on like the corner edge, like this. Is this even? Jump. Stand here, wait. Jump. Jump power. Jam it. Jam. Easy. This would take people. This must be amazingly difficult for most people. I really hate those speed run thingies when you have to like the one that I fall on. I'm just saying I hate those. I really hate those. Do I have to do more of these? Oh, we're not close. Well, at least, yeah. Let's just get this over with. Then yeah. I need to get this over with. Then I can do my things. And yes. What am I supposed to do here? Do I jump there? Now I'll take the shortcut like that. Oh, I just go here. Then I go there. Do I go here? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What's that? Nice. $10 minutes. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, lava jumps more. Oh no. You have to do 1, 2, skip a few. Is this the winner? Yes, I did it. I did it. I actually did something in my life. Oh, it just kills you. Okay, let me try one more. That was pretty easy. I only messed up once. Tower of heck. Tower of keyboard eating. Not for mobile. Let's find out. Okay, which way should I go first? I'll take this way because they said not for mobile. That doesn't look so difficult. You just have to jump here, then, and you just jump like that. That's actually pretty easy. Oh, it kind of camouflages. Okay, you have to jump like this. Never mind, it's not for mobile. Oh, you just go like this. I see. Then you have to go like this. Never mind. Can you help me up here? Let me up, brother. Let me up. What are you supposed to do here? Jump like this. Then you have to go like this. Then you have to go like this. Then you have to kind of go on the edge. Then jump there. Kind of go on the edge. Then jump there. Oh, this is not that. This is actually pretty easy. What do you mean not for mobile? This is simple. This isn't that difficult. You have to just... No. Okay, I'll try again. I literally fall all the way down. I lost half. It's taking me 1 minute to do this. Maybe this ain't for mobile. Let me try. Concentration. Two times in a row, it made me do a cartwheel. Like when I jumped here, it just made me do a cartwheel. Like it flipped me out. I'll try again. Yoink. This is actually... No. Stop it. I'll keep doing this until I finish this part. And then I will actually see if this is actually... I can get it for mobile. Bruh. I jump here. Okay, I jump here. Then I have to go like this. I camouflaged. Oh my god. It camouflages to the wall. You expect... This is impossible. Look, it camouflages. Bruh. There. No, I messed up. This has been... How much more? I never done these. It's like impossible, kinda. Where do I jump next? Nowhere. Where do you jump next? Do I just... Oh, I see. I see where to go. 4 minutes for this. A few more. No, I'm not messing up here. But I'm losing all my... Oh, you could just... Never mind. Let's try Tower of Heck. I only get 2 tries for this one. I'll do 2 tries and that'll be the end. Bless me. That'll be the end of the video. What do you mean not for mobile? This one also said not for mobile. Yoink. Yoink. I will try to do Tower Heck, but it looks... Yoink. Oh, you just do it like this. That ain't too difficult. This is the easiest one. What do you do here? You slide? How? Is that one? That's... How do you do that one? That's the most annoying part ever. You didn't even have to do that jump around. Okay, this one's a slide. Oh, I'm just gonna do it like this. Ha! Eat that, Tower of Heck. That's the name of the tower. It's Tower of Heck. What am I doing here? Confused. No, wait. What do I do here? Do I go here? What am I supposed to? What do you do there? Do I get a ball? Bruh, what do you do there? What do you do? It's impossible. This is impossible. What do you do? Do I jump here? No. What do I do? This one is not possible. What do I do? I'm not mad, I'm just confused. What do I do? Okay, maybe I'm a little bit angry. But what am I supposed to do? Easy.